Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to stop the automatic login on your PlayStation account. So we have all these different accounts. I'm going to go to my main account right here, and then I'm going to go up to the top, and then go to Settings, then go to Login Settings right here, then go to Login PlayStation 4 Automatically, and uncheck mark this. Now this is important to read this. It says if you turn this setting on, you will automatically log into the PS4 when it is turned on. If there are multiple users that have been created on the PS4, only the last user who turns on this setting can automatically log in. So you have to go to each user and then turn off automatic login. Otherwise, someone's account will automatically log in. So I have like 6 or 7 or 8 different users on here. I have to go through all of them and make sure it's on checkmarked on them. Otherwise, I'll log into one of their accounts. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixTech.